Hello, COM 507 and 604 students. I'm going to give you a short tutorial today about how to get started in the course and then also where to find various course components in case you are new to using Blackboard. So again, our course for this semester is blended, and it's blended in two ways. Number one, it's blended because we have both undergraduate and graduate level students in our course. And number two, it's blended because we're going to be utilizing Blackboard for some assignments and our reading content for the week, in addition to meeting weekly at Missouri State Campus in class. So just a quick tutorial here to help get you started. You notice that this is the Missouri State homepage. You're just going to log into Blackboard by clicking the Login tab here and going to Blackboard Learn. And here you're going to type in your credentials. And if you have any issue with typing in your credentials, you can definitely call the computer help desk at Missouri State Campus by going to the navigation pane here and then going to computer help desk and just typing in help desk, and that'll bring up the help desk number if you have problems logging into Blackboard. So again, we're going to go to the Blackboard home screen, type in our credentials, and here it's going to take you initially to your home page. So we are in the Health, Communication, and Culture class, and you want to make sure that you're clicking the Fall 2020. This one says 2018, but we are going to be in the Fall 2020 class. So whenever you click it, it's going to take you to your home screen, and I'm going to go into the student preview mode so I can see exactly what it is that you all are seeing. So if you'll notice, your home screen first starts with announcements, and I'm going to schedule these announcements to where they will appear in the week that we create them. However, some of them are already posted here, but you'll notice your very first announcement is the pre-course welcome. You're going to want to read through that before you start class this week because it has some important vital information regarding how the course is blended, as well as things that you need to bring to class on night one, such as the syllabus, and I'll show you in a little bit how to get to the syllabus. It's also going to show you what the required textbooks are for this course. We're going to be using 2 textbooks, and here they are listed. So after you get out of the announcements page, a couple of features over here on the left-hand side navigation screen. So if you'll notice, there's a module called Course Overview. So clicking the home page is going to take you here, of course, to your home page. This is a great navigation screen to show you anything that needs attention, so assignments that are due, upcoming assignments, things that you've already posted, all those important information to help you navigate yourself as a student in this course. Here is the instructor welcome and contact information. So you're going to want to take a little bit of time to read through that before you go on to your weekly modules content page. I've included a little instructional instructor welcome video as well, so you'll want to take a look at that. Now here on the left-hand navigation, I'm going to skip to the weekly modules section. So this is where your weekly content is going to feed into. So here we have announcements. We viewed that whenever we first started in the course, and here we have weekly content. So the very first thing that I want you to do before you come to class this week is to view the Getting Started in this Course module. So if you'll notice, this Getting Started in this Course module goes over weekly topics, the weekly overview, weekly goals and competencies, weekly required readings, weekly required media, links to the discussion board if required, and then links to assignments. So all of those topic areas are going to be in each individual weekly module. And you'll know it's a module because it's going to say week 1 and it's going to have a little content folder icon here. So again, let's go ahead and go to the Getting Started in this Course module. So I've given you a link to our instructor welcome and contact information. Here's a link to the course syllabus, highly, highly, highly important. So not only can you get to your syllabus in the Getting Started course module, but it's also available as a link in your left-hand navigation screen as well. So you can click here, go to course syllabus, and that's just a really quick way to get to your course syllabus. I want you to bring a copy of your course syllabus to the night 1 of class because we are going to review it in night 1. I've also given you a little bit of tips on how to be successful in this course. So, a couple things to know. I do assign points for attendance and then also classroom engagement. You're going to want to view your syllabus to identify what classroom engagement truly is, because it's not just participating in class, it's truly being engaged in the content for the week. In addition, I want to let you all know that we follow APA writing style in this course. So if you want to know how to write an APA, you can go over here to the left-hand navigation screen and click the Learning Resource Center link. I also have it available in your weekly module content folder. Let's go back to that folder actually so we can view it in that mode. So if you have questions on writing an APA, click this Learning Resource Center link available in your Getting Started in This Course module, as well as over here on the left-hand navigation. It's going to take you to the same thing. So click here and it's going to give you an APA style guide. This link is a link to an online style guide that can help you learn how to write an APA. In addition to that, there are on-campus resources that I want to make available to you as well, which is the Bear Claw, the Center for Writing and Learning, and then as well as some additional resources if you want to click into that a little bit later. So again, I'm going to go back to my weekly content folder to view the Getting Started module. Here's some information also on how to obtain user support. So if you ever have issues with Blackboard, you can click this link in the Getting Started module and it's going to give you information for the Learning Resource Center as well as Blackboard Help. Again, both of these icons are located over in the Course Overview section in your left-hand navigation screen. And then finally, you'll notice that we have a discussion board that's due this week. So here's the information to the discussion board. So you can click it and reply to the thread that I've originally posted. And then also Q&A Course Cafe. All right, so this Course Cafe is a thread that if you have any questions regarding assignments or due dates or links aren't working for your literature that's required for the week, you can always post your question here in the Course Cafe, so all of the class has an opportunity to view my answer to that. That way I don't have 15 people emailing me about the same question. You can just find the question here and the answer. Now the only thing that I really don't permit in this question Q&A Course Cafe is items that are relative to individual student grades on assignments. Those are things that you're going to want to schedule some time with me before or after class to discuss. So I'm going to go back to the home page because that's always a good place to start whenever you are entering into the course. And again, just a few things to review. We have our instructor welcome and contact information. So this is going to give you my email address. It's going to give you my office hours. My preferred method of communication for the course is listed here as well. Want to make sure and view that instructor video too. And then also, importantly, your Learning Resource Center. So if you have any questions regarding APA styling, or if you have a submission that you would like someone to review before you submit it to your assignment page, you can click here for the Bear Claw for the Center for Learning and Writing, and they can help you here. And then also some additional resources as well. Any issues regarding Blackboard, you can click that Blackboard Help link, and that's going to take you to an external site where you can go through common questions, getting started, etc. And it will be a tutorial for you to review in regards to getting started on the technology side of the Blackboard navigation. Again, the course syllabus is highly important. You're going to want to review the course syllabus slated for fall 2020. My grades is a section that will take you directly to your grades in the course. Whenever I click this, it's not going to take me to anything but a blank screen because I don't have grades for myself. But whenever you click this, it's going to take you to all of the grades that you've earned on your assignments. In addition to that, it provides you a what if grade calculator. So you can type in what if you made a particular grade on the assignment, what would your overall grade in the course be? In addition, highly important here, so every single week we will review new weekly content. So again, this is where the Getting Started in the Course module is located, and then also you will find your week 1 content folder as well. So whenever we click here, you're going to see your week 1 required readings, week required videos, as well as the week 1 discussion board. Now, if you want to simply just get to your assignments outside of going into the weekly content folder, you can do that, but only for the items that are listed here in the left-hand navigation. So all of your discussion board postings are listed here. Your group journals are listed here. So I will add group journals as we go along throughout the course of the time of the semester. And your journals and discussion board postings are listed independently here, or you can navigate through them through your weekly content folder as well. Well, that's it for your preview. If you have any questions, I will definitely be able to help answer them throughout your time this semester. But hopefully I've set up the course in a manner that is easy to navigate. Again, just a reminder, everything that you're going to need for every single week is listed in this weekly content folder under the individual week that we are on for the week. So again, I look forward to meeting you on night 1. See you soon.